Now, as we have discussed that the seed is formed finally, seed is the reproductive, you can say product, like what we get after sexual reproduction, we get seed. So, seed is the ultimate result of the sexual reproduction in plant. So, how seeds look like, or what does they consist of? Seeds actually consist of seed coat, seed leaves and embryo. So, this is the structure for the seed. This outer layer in both of it is called as seed coat, that is the outer covering, and these are seed leaves. Seed leaves are called as cotyledons basically. Their function is to store food. So the cotyledons can be 2, cotyledons can be 1, that means seed can have 1, 2 or 3, any cotyledon. So maximum times the cotyledons are 1 or 2. So if the cotyledon is 1, that seed is called as monocot, and if the cotyledon is 2, then it is called as dicot, and cotyledons are basically meant for storage of food. The point from where the water enters the seed is called as micropile. This opening is called as micropile. From here the water enters. This is the embryonal axis, and what we see that the upper end of embryonal axis is called as plumule, which is future shoot, and this lower embryonal axis consists of, this is called as radicle, which is future root. So this is all about the seed. I think you got it, that seed consists of seed coat, the seed leaves, and it consists of embryo. Upper end plumule, which is future shoot, and lower end is radicle, which is future root, and it has an opening, special opening for the entry of water, that is called as micropile. And that this we have already discussed, that the seeds actually get dispersed due to by wind, water, animals, and they can be an explosive dispersal also. So the seeds actually can disperse through any method. They can disperse through water, wind, they can disperse through any insect, animal involved, or biological factor you can say, or it can also be by explosive dispersal. It can be explosive dispersal also. So this is all about the seed. Now we are going to start about the seed germination, that what kind of what is germination and what kind of seed germination we actually see in the seeds.